Hi guys, obviously I'm not here today, so I made a video so we don't fall behind. So this is on page 13 in your packets. So I don't know how you guys want to do this. Either you can watch it on your own, on your Chromebooks with your headphones, or the sub, feel free to just play it for everybody and they can take notes together. So today we are going to multiply and divide with square roots. So the multiplication property says when you're multiplying two square roots together, either multiply the radicands first and make one giant square root, or start making your factor tree individually right away. So let's do a couple examples. So either multiply 12 and 18 first and then make your factor tree, or just make your factor tree right away off both numbers. I think I like that way better. All right, so let's do 12. Two numbers that multiply to 12. I'm going to do 4 times 3. And then I'm going to keep going with the 4 and make it 2 times 2. And now I'm going to do the 18. And for 18, I'm going to do 9 times 2. And then I'm going to keep going with the 9 and make it 3 times 3. Okay, so now find any doubles, and the doubles can be from either one. So I see a double 2, and I see a double 3, and that's it. So pull out a 2, pull out a 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And then the only singles left inside are 3 times 2, so that's 6. So the answer is 6 root 6. All right, number 2. 3 is just 3, so the only one we can deal with is 48. So 48, I'm going to do 8 times 6. And then 8, I'm going to do 4 times 2. And then 4, I'm going to make 2 times 2. And then the 6, I'm going to make 2 times 3. Okay, so let's find our doubles. Don't forget there's a 3 here also. So don't forget about that one. All right, we have a double 2. We have another double 2. And actually, we also have a double 3, because this one counts. Okay, cool. So everything comes out. So pull out a 2, pull out a 2, and pull out a 3. So what's 2 times 2 times 3? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So this one is just 12. Everything was part of a double, so everything came out. All right, and then number 3. This one actually has a shortcut. Don't you guys know, what is the square root of 36? Don't we know that? Square root of 36 is just 6. So there you go, 6 root 2. So if you see a perfect square right away, I would just pull it out and you don't even have to make the factor tree. All right, so now, if you guys can pause the video and try 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so hopefully you guys are pausing it now. When you're ready to check, though, I'm going to run through the answers. So this one, 2 stays. 32 is 16 times 2, and I'm going to run through these fast since you paused it to try. 16 is 8 times 2, and 8 is 4 times 2, and 4 is 2 times 2. All right, let's find our doubles. We have a double 2 here, a double 2 here, and actually another double 2 here. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. This one was just 8. All right, number 5. 30 is 5 times 6, and 6 is 3 times 2. And then don't forget we still have a 5. All right, so it looks like we have a double 5. And then that's it. So double 5 comes out, and inside is 3 times 2, which is 6. So this one is 5 root 6. And then number 6, 4 is 2 times 2. 20 is 5 times 4, and then 4 is 2 times 2. All right, let's find our doubles. So we have a double 2 here, and another double 2 here, and then a single 5. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then there's a 5 left inside. So 4 root 5. Okay, so nothing that different than before. All right, on the back we're going to do some dividing. So the division property says, when taking a square root of a fraction, take the square root of the numerator and denominator. Did I spell that right? Denominator. Separately, or divide them first and then simplify the quotient. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to do these. If these numbers divide, do that first. So what is 72 divided by 36? It's 2. So you're going to reduce that first and just write it, keep it under the square root. You're actually done. Square root of 2. Okay, so if they divide nice, actually divide them, but leave your answer under the square root. Okay, now look at 2. Do they divide nice? What's 27 divided by 3? It's 9. So leave it under the square root of 9. But we know the square root of 9. We can simplify further. The square root of 9 is 3. So this one, the answer is just 3. Okay, number 3. Try to divide 9 by 4. I don't think it's nice. 9 divided by 4, we don't want to deal with decimals. So on this one, we're going to do it separate. Okay, so we're going to take the square root of 9, which is 3, and then we're going to take the square root of 4, which is 2, and we're done. Oh, sorry. Okay, so if they divide nice, do that. If they don't divide nice, just do them separately. All right, I'm going to have you guys try 4, 5, and 6 on your own. So please pause the video now and let everybody try it, and then I'll show the answers. All right, so hopefully you guys paused it and tried it, and now I'm going to go over the answers. So 75 does divide by 3 nice. 75 divided by 3 is 25, and it stays under the root. But what is the square root of 25? Comes out as 5. Okay, number 5. I don't know if they divide nice. 144 divided by 81, nah. Messy decimal, so we're not going to use that method. We're going to do them separate. So the square root of 144 is 12, and then the square root of 81 is 9. So this answer is 12 over 9. But we can reduce that. If you guys reduce 12 and 9, you can reduce them both by 3. So the final answer would be 4/3. That's fully reduced. Okay, number 6. I'm going to try to divide them first. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Okay, so that reduces to square root of 36. But we know the square root of 36. It is 6. So the final answer is 6. All right, I hope that made sense. Multiplying and dividing. For homework, you guys have page 15 and 16. And then I'll be back tomorrow so we can go over the answers. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.